हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम फर्स्ट चैप्टर सम केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री स्टडी करेंगे क्लास 11th के लिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट यूनिट फर्स्ट सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम केमिस्ट्री में सीखेंगे व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय केमिस्ट्री। द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ मैटर फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अनदर इज कॉल्ड स्टडी ऑफ केमिस्ट्री। देन there are other fields in which we study the chemistry like weather patterns। अगर हम स्टडी करें तो earthquakes, volcanoes, eruption, these are the natural phenomenon which also comes with the category of chemistry। So the first is weather patterns। There are other fields in which we study chemistry। The second one is laboratory। Student, we work in laboratory, several types of experiments, and there are several chemicals which we deals with like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid। So these are chemicals also comes in the category of chemistry। Acids like sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid, carbonic acid, bases like sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, these are works in daily life। Then we uses several kinds of salts, so these are also comes in the category salts like ammonium carbonate, sodium carbonate, calcium chloride, these are the salts। So in laboratory we uses acids, bases and salts। Okay friend, these are the two topics। All besides of these we uses chemistry in agricultural field। So the third field is agriculture। To grow the production of our crops, farmers uses several kinds of fertilizers like NPK। It is made up of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium। There are sulfate fertilizers। So the first branch of agriculture which is fertilizers, these are used by farmers like NPK, phosphates, and super phosphates. These chemicals are used by farmers to grow the production of crops. The next chemicals which uses the farmer are pesticides. There are several kinds of pesticides which are used by farmers to prevent their crops from pests. आप सभी को पता है कि पेस्ट से हमारी जो फसलें हैं वो पूरी तरीके से डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाती हैं, तो उन फसलों को बचाने के लिए फार्मर्स अपने क्रॉप फील्ड में पेस्टिसाइड्स का यूज करते हैं. अदर ब्रांच इज insecticides. इंसेक्ट्स, जो अनवांटेड इंसेक्ट्स हैं, उनको अपनी क्रॉप्स को नुकसान करने से बचाने के लिए दे यूजेस insecticides in their crop fields. So these are the three main fields where we uses chemistry. Moving forward, हम इसके अलावा और भी फील्ड स्टडी करेंगे जहाँ पर हमें केमिस्ट्री की रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो द अदर फील्ड विच वी यूजेस आर फील्ड नंबर 4, कंप्यूटर इंडस्ट्री. स्टूडेंट्स, integrated circuit, that is called IC, we uses in the circuit boards of computer, which does several types of functions, and these integrated circuits are made up of semiconductors. So these semiconductors are also made up of several kinds of metals, non-metals mixture, and their synthesis is also possible due to with help of chemistry. So integrated circuits, then superconductors, these are also used in chemistry. Then after, the fifth field is space science. Students, for study of space, scientists or astronauts uses several kinds of techniques like environment of space. So that knowledge is only possible due to help of chemistry. So astronauts ideas about environment on celestial bodies. So these are several kinds of fields which we learn in the field of chemistry. There are other examples which we uses, like daily life. There are several kinds of process. बहुत सारे प्रोसेस हैं जो हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में यूज करते हैं, लाइक मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स. हमारी लाइफ मेटल्स के बेसिस पर है, बिकॉज बहुत सारे वर्क जो हम लोग करते हैं वो मेटल्स की हेल्प से ही हो पाते हैं, लाइक बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन, हाउस यूटिलिटीज. ओके, सो दीज आर द मेजर फैक्टर्स which we study in chemistry. Okay, so our first article was unit first 1.1 is importance of chemistry is done. Okay, so these are the major fields where chemistry is studied. In later unit part we will meet again.